combining a roster of choice mods with one of the best automotive designs ever produced. This 56 Bel Air is a top-notch resto mod that puts a fresh spin on an old favorite. Wearing timeless Chevrolet lines that are draped in a tasteful combination of metallic silver and charcoal, this Bel Air has spent almost 40 years in the care of one meticulous enthusiast. Those decades began around 1983 when the car was purchased. Over the years, the enthusiast, who eventually became an appraiser and Tri-5 Senior Master Judge, followed steady mechanical upgrades with a ground-up nut and bolt restoration. Inside, two-tone leather is the central theme of a custom cockpit that was built for style and comfort. A pinstripe dash hangs a billet facade between custom gauges and modern climate control, and the driver stays connected through a leather-wrapped steering wheel on a tilting column. Under the hood is a GM Performance Parts 383 stroker that is rated at 425 horsepower. That small block is bolted to a turbo-hydromatic 4-speed and sends power back to a 9-inch rear. What started out as America's first low-priced hardtop has now become a legend, and today the Tri-5 Chevy is one of the most desirable collector cars of all time. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.